Hi guys, we are back with another video, and today we're going to show you what Dad got from Amazon.
Go on, go for it. Do you want a hand to do that out?
No,
Haha. It's quite good actually. And some things on Amazon come quite quick, and some things on Amazon don't come as quick as others. Okay, go on, open. Don't pop that because you'll have your little sister running downstairs. So what we've got is a few different things. We've got, these are all for what?
My sports glasses.
So these sports glasses are, let's just see them, they're like plastic. I think lenses are plastic as well. They've got little rubbery bits here on the inside where your bridge your nose sits, so if you get an impact it won't hurt. These are kind of rubbery as well, the arm, and you've got an elastic bit, £150 from Specsavers. Took a long time coming to get them, but they're nice. You like them?
Yep.
They're good vision.
Didn't they lower the price because of that?
No, they didn't. No, that's for your leggings. But that's another story. So that's what we got. Football went raining. I was trying to think, what should we do? So I went on Amazon and looked at a few things, and we've got one of the things I looked at was this, which is a kind of a bit sideways hammer, the Smart Solution microfiber cleaning cloth for all cameras, but it does for glasses as well, the lenses generally. So it's microfiber cloth in here. So should we get that out first?
Yep.
Go on, you go for it. Do you want scissors to open it? You should double your battery in your cell phone and open it. Let me just, yeah, no? Sure?
Yes.
Sure?
See, I was looking at it first, see what opening.
We're going to demonstrate everything on this today, because this is what you need it for, because when it rains in when you're playing football, was it a problem when it rained on Saturday with the football?
Yes.
You couldn't see clearly?
No, it's just like brains on it, and then I have to wipe it with my hand, and it just gets all, do you know how it just like smudges?
Yeah, no, that's why I wanted to get something like this. Maybe you could clip to your kit, and then you could, without opening it.
See?
It's taking some time to open this. Do you want to give your hand?
It.
Just do this, now. Just yank it open. So let me just read this first before. Let me show what it is. It's like it's like a neoprene protective bag. The neoprene protective bag, and you've got then you've got high quality fiber structure and a clip.
Do I take it out?
Clipping the camera bag, carrying a bunch of keys. Yes, so just show them everyone. Show everyone. Go on, you show.
So it's very small, very compact. You can put it in your pocket maybe.
Or clip it on, and that's what I'm thinking. You could clip it onto maybe your trousers, your shorts or your top, and then
just take it out and wipe it.
Yeah. And that's what you do. You wipe it up like that.
So it didn't come fully out.
No, it just stays in. You see?
Ah, that's gonna be hard, man. Then I just go like, oh, I'm wiping my glasses.
You can unclip it.
Come on, get in the bag.
That's what. So should we just try and give it a wipe?
No. Go like this, and you've got to wipe.
On the other side. Do the other side of it. You got to do both sides, haven't you?
I'm a professional with cleaning glasses.
You need to go both. Why do you hold it both sides and do it? No, hold it. Go show everyone how you're doing it. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Ooh, that's clean.
It's hard to see, but definitely.
So that one's clearer and then that one's smudgier.
Smudgier. So that one's clear that we just used it on. That's pretty good actually. I've got to say, let me have a go. Give it some welly. Yeah, that's
huff,
really
huff.
clear.
You have to do some huff.
Okay, so next one, we've got streak-free clarity bright wipes. Bright wipes, these are non-abrasive free moistened lens cleaning towelettes. Not rather than toilets. Non-abrasive safe and effective on all lenses coated, especially AR coatings, formulated to clean quickly and ideal for sunglasses, safety and sports lenses. Yeah, your lenses are dirt-free of abrasive, dust and dirt. And caution,
Where are you reading?
not to be using contact lenses here.
No.
Remove and unfold the towelette and gently wipe the surface until clean and dry.
Towelettes
Single
are
use. Single use. Good, get them out. Open the box carefully. So the box
No, side.
there.
Side.
Oh, okay. Well, let me do that.
Don't do that now. That cuts really well though. There's a button on it.
So they like that inside, and there's quite a few. Just get one out.
Okay, this will be the lucky one. I know it will be.
No, quite. Oh, you're only getting one. So there's
that's cool.
loads.
Wait, isn't that dry and that one's wet?
60. No, just one.
Oh.
Very good sign. Yeah. Shove that back in. So, okay, open it up then. Show everyone. Just open it up. You see, I was trying to think of all things that make it easy for you. Your football.
And then get a whiff of it. Ugh, that's disgusting.
Strong. Okay, go and open it up. So we'll try on the smeared one. This one. We'll try it on this one, which is a smeared one.
And then we're going to smudge it up again, and then, you know.
Go on. Try it.
Oops.
So do it like you're polishing it, like the other. No, don't do that fingery stuff. That don't do nothing. You got to get in there. Give it some welly. Get down. Hold it. How you doing it? Yeah. Don't try to rub the whole lens off. Here we go. Here we go. Let's look. Let's look. Let's look.
Ooh.
That ain't bad actually. That's not bad. I know it's difficult to show, but that's pretty good. Let me have a go. See what I think.
Yeah. Say what you need.
Give it some welly. Where are you going?
I'm getting scissors for this last one.
I got scissors for the last one. That is not bad at all. Pretty good. So yeah, we've got. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good.
New generations. Wiping with a cloth doesn't work anymore. It has to be sprayed.
So we'll try this one now. We're going to open it up. Last one. So we've got the Bright White Streak Clear Clarity. What do you think of those? Good? Worth it? Good? We've got this one, obviously microfiber thing you can shove back in.
Yeah.
And you can shove it back in. Just shove it back in. You just have to close it like that when you put it back in. Fold it over, fold it over, fold it over. And then in there. And shove it in. Yeah, that will hold in.
Okay, come on.
You have to get it perfect, just like that will do.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Watch your fingers. We're not going to go to A&E tonight, mate.
No one does.
There we go. Right. Oh, get it out, watch your fingers. Still. Right, that'll do. So this one is... This is AntiFog. Alcohol free. Called Cressy. And this is for professional scuba diving. You should just wait a bit before you spray tons on it.
Tell me more fog.
So what he's done is sprayed a load on.
Yeah.
So we're just wiping it off.
Okay,
now.
let's hop on it.
Wait 1 second. Let's just read a bit about this first. Hey, concentrate. Cressy, professional scuba diving equipment since 1946. AntiFog 60ml, alcohol free. Contained anionic surfactants. I'm not trying to say that.
You
swallow.
should see this, guys. This is.
Spray a small amount of AntiFog solution. A small amount.
Huh?
On both sides and spread evenly with your fingers. Wait several seconds. Rinse thoroughly. What?
Rinse.
Rinse?
Rinse.
Why rinse?
Because you meant to rinse it off. But look, Dad.
That is good, you know. Oh wow, yeah. Let's just do it quickly. Heart it. Like, so the right one's done and the left one's not. Quick, we have to do it quick. That's the one that's not done.
I even did it more on this one. Oops.
I'll take it.
Someone is coming.
Yeah, because mum can't speak quiet. So I have to keep quiet, okay? Because your sister's sleeping, right? So what we'll do is... it works. Definitely good. But why do you have to rinse it off?
Maybe it's like...
No, because scuba diving, so we won't do it on normal glass, we don't have to do it. Okay, so should we just spray it on both of them?
Yeah.
Should we just put it... Okay, so this is...
The handle's so greasy though.
There's some coating on it of some sort. So this is the bottle. AntiFog, it fogs up, it's fogging up, weren't it, on you?
Yep.
Okay, let's do this. Right, so do spray there. Watch. You want to do it? You do it. Just
once.
Just once. Just show everyone. Do you want to hold it for you while you do it? Okay, so it's still a lot. So let's just rub it. They said rub it in with your fingers, but
no.
You just rub it in a tissue, can't you? Okay, do that one. Bit on that one.
Now you need to do it on the back.
The inside. Yeah.
Inside, yeah.
That's the one. The main areas we get the fogging happening. Okay, inside. Don't do it near the bit that goes near your nose.
Yep.
Okay, so we just go there. I just don't know whether it's suited. You don't want to get over bits that are not meant to be on. That's what I'm trying to say. Now this one.
It keeps on doing that.
Okay.
Okay, fine enough. Okay, we put all these chemical stuff on it. Let's touch it out.
Okay, so what we're going to do is the thing is a bit of streak. So what we'll do now, we'll get your microfiber cloth.
Microfiber cloth.
So what do you reckon? You're going to try this in the match or leave it? You're not going to wear it? Why don't you just clip it on your neck?
Around your neck.
Or around your sleeve.
Around your neck.
Shh. Around your sleeve then.
Around my sleeve. How are you meant to do that?
And you can quickly do it after. Shh. Mum's giving me hard. Gonna give me hard. No. Okay, go on.
How are you meant to do that?
We received your delivery for your brother's football gear. That's what it's telling us. So I'm just gonna microfiber cloth this.
This cloth?
I believe that left a little bit of streaking. Maybe that's alright. Or maybe we should follow the instructions we want to. But you don't want to rinse these because if you're scuba diving gear, that's meant to get wet. But these things aren't necessarily meant to get like really wet. Not when you rinse them out, like glasses.
The cool things with glasses is if you put water on it, it'll be like this.
Shh! Don't talk too loud in this.
These like bubbles or something.
Okay, right. Should we do the test? Shall I do it, or do you want to do it?
You don't have a manly breath.
That is brilliant. It works. That's so good.
Okay, let me try.
Okay. What are you doing that for? Do you normally steam up when you wear them?
What?
Is it good? It works.
No. Shh. There was one at the bit there. Like in the middle. Wait.
But did it go immediately? It didn't stay fogged?
No. Wait, let me try. Yeah, it's down a bit. So did
Okay, there's a bit at the bottom. There's a bit at the bottom. There's a bit of fogging at the bottom. So we're going to try it again.
Spray at the bottom.
Green tissue.
Okay.
I'm just testing these for you guys so you know if you want to get this stuff. Because, you know, it's difficult because you go on Amazon and there's so many reviews and quite a few say, yeah, brilliant, great. And the other ones will say, oh, rubbish, doesn't even work. And you don't know what to believe sometimes. I know Amazon's not bad, but...
How do they make people do it? What do they do to do it?
What do you mean?
Like, what
I'm going to put in a tissue there. Oh, what they do is they just request you to leave feedback, isn't it?
Oh, okay.
Because it helps the sellers, because a lot of these sellers, they're just trying to make a living from selling stuff, and if they're selling good stuff, you should give them a nice review to help them. There shouldn't be a problem. It is a bit of hassle when you get a lot of stuff. But it didn't take too long. So what we've done is put quite a reasonable amount there. And I'm just going to clean it up now. I mean, certainly they're going to be really brilliant to see through when you wear them on.
Do you think if you put in the chemical within the chemical, it will not be very good?
The chemical for the wipes to clean them will probably clean this coating off. So you probably want to clean the wipes first and then the anti-fog. But I don't think they're going to cause problems. They can't look really nice and glare free there. Streak free, not glare free, streak free. Don't do that.
Okay.
Okay, try it now.
Okay. Nope.
Try the other one. Come on, hurry up.
Yep.
What I did or didn't?
No,
it's fine.
It didn't.
So we've come to the conclusion that the anti-fog stuff is very good. You don't have to use a lot.
But the people who do bad comments, they're like, it's just a little thing, isn't it?
Not always something that's really major.
Hey. Or it's just something with that product that...
Yeah. So, in conclusion, what are we saying? Microfiber thing, hammer, which is called, it's called spuds. Spuds there. It's a little coat, you can clip it anywhere. It would be, crocodile clip would have been maybe better. There's crocodile clips, you clip it to clothes. You want to try it in your match?
Yeah, go on.
Put it inside of your sleeve?
Yeah.
Or you don't want to, is it going to disturb you? Because the last thing when you're getting disturbed in your coach going, oi, I want to go at you. And saying it was disturbing me. We don't want none of that, do we? We'll see when when you get your kit on Saturday, we'll try it. When your kit on Saturday, we'll try it. So you like the microfiber cloth, the idea?
Yeah.
Good idea? It's a good idea, yeah, good.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
You don't? Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
1 out of 10. 10.
What out of 10 for
Yeah.
the microfiber
Yeah,
cloth?
yeah.
Microfiber
10.
cloth? 10 out of 10?
No.
Yeah, but I ain't got a crocodile clip, so it would have been better crocodile
8.
clip. 8, okay. The bright white, they're good.
10. No, 9.
9. Why? Just good. They're not completely streak free, not completely streak free, but this combined really streak free, and this
10 out of
10 out of 10, because you were having major fogging problems before when you're wearing these glasses, weren't you? And it's fine.
Are we
And it
going
should
to
be
do
fine
this every single time we go football?
Probably.
Okay.
Because the last thing I want is us having it. We don't have to use a lot. Us having it, and then you can't benefit from it, which would be a waste of time. Okay, so what do you reckon? Happy?
Yep. Happy.
So we'll leave it there then. I'll put each one links in the description to the thing. They weren't that expensive, to be quite honest. And if it works, it'll be well worth it. These, we'll do that.
I'm not gonna
So yeah, I mean, let's just show you one last time. That is as clear as anything.
I know.
We'll have to do it with your glasses, your actual glasses. I'll have to do it with mine. Yeah?
Yeah.
These glasses are really great. They're a lot of money, but they're really great. You're getting a lot of use out of them, aren't they? And they're a lot safer, because if you get a ball in the face with normal glasses like these, there's no protection, it's all plastic, it's going to hurt. The glass smashes, it's dangerous. So these hit in the face with this, it's still going to hurt, but it's not going to cause you damage like wearing normal glasses. Yeah?
Yeah.
Are they comfortable to wear, these?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, yep, so go for it.
Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Bye-bye.